Welcome to this complete beginner's Figma course. If you've never used Figma before, don't worry. This course starts from absolute zero. By the end of this series, you'll be able to design professional websites, mobile apps, dashboards, and much more. In today's lesson, we'll answer 4 important questions. What is Figma? What can you build with it? What's the difference between UI and UX? And why do companies like Google, Microsoft, Airbnb, and Spotify use Figma? Let's get started. What is Figma? So, what exactly is Figma? Figma is a cloud-based design tool used to create digital products. Think of it as Photoshop, but specifically built for designing apps, websites, and user interfaces. Unlike older design software, Figma runs directly in your web browser. That means you don't need a powerful computer, and your files are automatically saved online. Another amazing feature is collaboration. Multiple people can work on the same design at the same time, just like editing a Google document together. Designers, developers, product managers, and clients can all view, comment, and edit in one place. That's one of the biggest reasons Figma has become the industry standard. What can you build with Figma? Figma isn't just for designing mobile apps. You can create almost any digital interface. For example, a website landing page, an online shopping website, a mobile application, a tablet interface, an admin dashboard, a smart TV interface, a smartwatch app, presentations, social media graphics, wireframes, interactive prototypes, and even complete design systems used by large companies. If it has a screen, there's a good chance it can be designed in Figma. That's why freelancers, startups, and enterprise companies all use the same tool. UI versus UX. You'll hear 2 terms all the time, UI and UX. Let's make them easy to understand. UI stands for user interface. It's everything users can see. The buttons, colors, icons, typography, images, spacing. Basically, the visual appearance of the app or website. Now let's talk about UX. UX means user experience. It's about how the product feels when someone uses it. Is it easy to navigate? Can users find what they need quickly? Is the checkout process simple? Does everything make sense? Here's a simple example. Imagine 2 coffee shops. One shop looks beautiful, but takes 20 minutes to order coffee. The other looks simple, but lets you order in 1 minute. The first has better UI. The second has better UX. The best products combine both: beautiful design and a smooth user experience. Why companies use Figma? So why has Figma become the favorite design tool for companies around the world? Because it makes teamwork incredibly easy. Everyone works from the same file. Changes appear instantly. Designers can create interactive prototypes without writing code. Developers can inspect designs, copy measurements, colors, and CSS values directly from Figma. Managers and clients can leave comments without downloading anything. Everything stays organized in one place. This saves time, reduces mistakes, and speeds up product development. Congratulations! You just completed Lesson 1. Now you know what Figma is, what you can build with it, the difference between UI and UX, and why companies love using Figma. In the next lesson, we'll create a free Figma account, explore the interface, and learn where every important tool is located. See you in Lesson 2.